Turn, open legs to sidewise. One member come front, one member just go back. Good. So here we go, few applications in the temple pose. Your right foot on the right side and your left foot on your left side. Balance. Put your both hands on your breast. Focus more on your breath. Inhale and exhale. Bend, relax and push your hip down. You just try to adjust the gap in between your both legs, pushing the knee outside. Inhale, then lean. Exhale, then swan. Inhale, then up. Exhale, then down. 3. Hip bow, lean. Thaza, swan. 4. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. 5. With your breath. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. 6. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. 7. Hip bow, lean. Thaza, swan. Hip bow, lean. Thaza, swan. 9. The last. Inhale, up. Exhale, now down. Now stay here. High thigh lean, both arms open. Just stay. 1, 2. Your hip try to push in front side. 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, Hangjan, Tai Swang, Chukchan, relax close, relax hands. Chukaswan. Again, same posture, come back. Jump the open leg side, right foot right side, with left foot left side. Once again. So this time will combine with your side bending, Gapchak Hong Swang, bend, relax, push your hip down. Both arms up, inhale, high thigh lean, and exhale, then side bend on the left side. Chuk that down. When you bend on the left side, so focus more on your right leg. Keep pressing your right heel. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, Hangchan, Tai Swang. One more time, Gapchak Hong Swang, high thigh lean, inhale, and exhale, then bend on the right side. Try to focus more on your left leg now. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax your hands and relax everybody. You can adjust your legs. Good. So here we go, just few repetitions in the wrist joint. Okay, so we continue with our second last set. So this time, the last 2 sets, we will go 3 variations in the set. Means 3 portions will be hold in one side. Good luck all of you. Comfort on your back. So we start with the back bending first again. Both hands on the back. Inhale and exhale. Push your hip front and bend back. Inhale, come back. Down the southern finger from behind. And exhale, bend down and touch your legs. Put your right leg back. Chan 5, Louis Sao. Inhale, both arms out. Exhale, bend back. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend down. Now the third, just first drop your right heel first, and then just keep your chest out and look up. And then relax your hands. Plank pose, inhale. Chaturanga, exhale. Upward dog, inhale. Downward dog, exhale. exhale. Right leg in between your arms. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, bend back. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend forward. Bend down a bit. Drop your left heel. Inhale. Exhale, keep your chest up, look up. And then relax your hands. Your left front, inhale. Exhale, touch your hands. And now the chair pose, rupture monk swan. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, down like Saulun, finger look behind, and then bend down. The same repetition. Chanfai Muisao, put your right leg back. Inhale, both arms up. Hai Tai Leng, Chupa Dan Tai, and toes up, bend back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend down. Thumb and thumb. 1. Keep pushing your left knee out. Do not take the spot from the left leg. 3, 4, 5. Now drop your right heel. Inhale and exhale. Then keep your chest out, everybody. Keep pressing your right foot, transferring your body weight on your right leg. Also 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Tai Swan. Plank pose. Inhale. Chaturanga. Exhale. Upward dog. Inhale. And downward dog. Exhale. Have a 4 deep breathing here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Good. So now we continuous. Right leg in between your arms, Chanfai Chua. Inhale, both arms up, Hai Tai Leng, and thumbs up and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale and exhale and back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now drop your left heel down, and then keep your chest out. 1, 2, Thang Chanchai, 4, 5, and now 6. Tai Swan. Chanchai Chuak. Inhale, exhale, Kui Suan, bend down. Hit bow, Hai Tai Leng, toes up, bend back. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax your bottoms. So there is a one sequence after the second last set. So that will be from the triangle. Jump, open legs, sidewise. So today is the first time, so we will not hold that sequence. We will go only with a one flow, just with a breathing flow. I will not count in, just only flow. Left foot, left side. Your hip square, thumb long, open arm shoulder level, jantai. Inhale and exhale. Left hand down, right hand up. Inhale and exhale. Right arm straight over the head. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn. Inhale and exhale. Cross your left leg with the right hand with the reverse triangle. Tai Chi Leng, Thang Chen, Thang Long. Good. Inhale, put your hands down. Exhale. touch your left leg. Inhale and exhale. Transformative. Lift your right leg up, touch your left leg. Legs together. Inhale, hands on the back, and then up. Exhale, bend back here. Inhale, come back. Exhale, down the column, and then twist one, bend down. Hold only this portion. 1, thumb turn, leg straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Again, come back. The same sequence, turn the side. Right foot on your right side. Hip square, down lie. Inhale and exhale. Drop your right hand down, left hand up. Inhale and exhale. Left arm straight over the head. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the right. Inhale and exhale. Cross your right leg, the left hand, tie swung, tie by lane. Inhale, tie swung, and exhale, touch your right leg, twist swung. Inhale, inhale, and exhale, chan chai lane, your left leg up. Your right leg should be straight. Good. Chuk chan, legs together, hands on your back. Inhale, then come up. Exhale, then bend back. Inhale, come back. Exhale, down the column, and then twist one and hold it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then relax. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax. So now we'll go the last set of today, our floor class. So that round will be on the twisting round. So twisting round, this is also very common postures. So we will go same 3 variations. We will go the 1, we will go the 2, and then we will go with the 3. You have to be hold your finger long, or you can try to hold the wrist. Might be the third posture, it's a bit challenging for you. If you can, so you can drop your knee. I am giving you the another option. Drop knee you can try, still you cannot do. So second pose you can repeat again. Yeah, even here, but even here. Any member can. They feeling difficult with the leg straight, you can drop your knee. This is a option for you. Come front on your right. So we will not go for the 2 rounds. We don't have enough time. I also want to give you some time for the rest. So this is the final round. In this round we will be holding. Yeah? Come on. High lane, both arms up. Exhale, bend back. Inhale, come back. Exhale, down the sound, finger look behind, and slowly bend down. Chan Phai Lui Sao, put your right leg back. And now up, and then turn, drop your right elbow, right opposite. Yes. This is all the intensive twisting sequence. 2, up, first, 2, wait, 3, 4, 5. Now second pose, drop your right hand down, up, left arm straight over the head, wait, thumb to 5, 3, 4, 5. And now see, now the last posture you have an option. Left hand on the back. You can try Nanko Tai Chai, Khom, interlock your finger, Khom, so you can still repeat the second pose again, opposite side. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, nice one. Plank pose, inhale, look front, inhale, Chaturanga, exhale. Upward dog, inhale, a 5 deep breath. Thumb, turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then here. Bring awareness all the time during your practice. Do not lose it. That what you will be connected with your practice. Okay, so turn 5 to up. Right leg in between your arms. Everybody up. Open arms. Turn on the right. Drop your left elbow on the right knee and palm together in the Namaste. Your palm should be in between your chest, shoulder aligned. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. The second pulse, drop your left hand down and right arm straight over the head. Try to keep your chest out as maximum you can. 2, give up, 3, 4, 5, and the last one, your right hand on the back. Try to hold your right wrist. Number 5, can, finger lock, can lock, so you can still repeat the second pose. 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Downward facing dog, everybody. Thumb right, arm turn, thumb long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn silent, your left leg up. Come in the pigeon pose from the left side. And everybody back. We'll go now the pull down. Just for the relaxation. Totally lose your body. You do not need to push yourself here. Downward facing dog. Again. Turn 5 lane, your right leg up. Pigeon pose. Bend down, koi swan. Now number 1, line down to the back. Relaxing thigh. Thang jan, motor jan, toes on thigh, nyama, and smiling face. Just relax. Totally loose. And relax. You roll the body muscles.